Now we're going to rotate a figure about a point. So you can notice up here we have a big R instead of little r's. The big R stands for rotation. The 45 is our magnitude. FGH is our preimage. And now because our magnitude is positive, we are going counterclockwise. And that's because 45 degrees is positive. So if you need a reminder up here, here's counterclockwise, that's positive, and clockwise is negative. Okay? So then I want to give myself a reminder that this figure has to come somewhere over there because that is counterclockwise. So the first thing you want to do is connect a point on your triangle to your center of rotation. So K is the center of rotation. So that's our point we're rotating about. So I'm going to use 3 different colored pencils for this. So G to K. And now I have to make a 45-degree angle opening counterclockwise. I'm going to turn my paper. So you'll start to notice that when we go counterclockwise, we're going to end up using the right side. Our side of our angle will be to the right side. So that means we're going to use the bottom numbers. So the counterclockwise indicates right and bottom numbers that we talked about. So here I have my 45-degree angle. I know that point G is somewhere on the line I just made. So to find where G goes, you measure the distance between G and K. It's about 2 3/10. So then on my new line, I'm going to measure 2 3/10. And I'm going to plot G prime. Now I'm going to switch my colored pencils. I'm going to do the same thing with another point. I'm going to connect F to K. Okay. I'm going to turn my paper. My side's going to be to the right, so I'm going to use my bottom numbers. I'm going to go to 45 and put a little tick mark. I'm going to draw my angle. And now remember, F prime is along that line somewhere. So you have to measure the distance between F and K. It's about 6 2/10. So I'm going to measure that line out 6 2/10 and plot F prime. Okay, and now I'm going to switch colors again. I'm going to rotate my last point H. So I'm going to connect H to K. I'm going to turn my paper. My side is to the right, so I'm going to use the bottom. I'm going to mark a 45-degree angle. And H prime will be somewhere on that green line. So I'm going to measure the distance between H and K. It's about 3 7/10. So then about 3 7/10 will be H prime. And now I'm going to connect G prime, F prime, H prime. And then I'm going to highlight my new image. And there you go. That triangle GHF was rotated counterclockwise 45 degrees. and our orientation has been preserved because it's just a rotation. Thank you.